Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a legendary show that's going to be playing on the Legend of the Seas, and it was important for us to choose the perfect cast.
We went through about 6,000 submissions during that process to whittle it down to the 31 people that we have.
You have to be able to collaborate, because then that cultivates creation, and that's what we're trying to achieve.
This production is going to basically define what the Legend of the Seas is offering.
What is this?
Surprise, surprise!
Yay! Oh my God,
You got a golden ticket!
We would love you to be part of the first inaugural cast of Legend of the Seas, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
The cast just arrived today here at the studios for their first day of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and we couldn't be more excited.
Day one really sets the tone for the entire rehearsal process. We're telling a 2.5-hour long production in 90 minutes, so we need to really ensure that we get the charts right, the orchestrations right, the scripting right. It's a really hard process because you don't want to lose anything.
I need it to appeal to everybody, and it needs to be truthful, and it needs to have heart. But to make it really work and to be really magical, we need to trial and error things. And we've got to cram that into 4 weeks and 2 days. We know we've got a big task ahead of us.
The table read is key because this is the first time we're gonna see the characters come to life. We're gonna get to hear what each character's rhythm starts to sound like, how they interact with each other, and then get to see how the songs come into play.
The only question is, who can take a rainbow?
We're looking for them to create a new version of the character. We're looking for those moments that the audience are going to buy into the character, that they're going to be in hysterics. We're looking for all of those key things to land, and if they land them on a cold read, we can only imagine what they're going to do once they've really worked through this and it's in their bones.
It's a myriad of emotions. It's, did we cast it correctly? We cast in New York and London, so we've never seen these people acting together. And then all of a sudden, they're all here, ready to go, and we feel that we've got the right people, but you never fully know until they're sat around the table, and does that chemistry click? You guys are special, okay? Don't let it go to your heads either, okay? We saw such varied, colourful characters within the reading, and everybody had a measure of what the character is straight away. I mean, we just literally put the scripts in front of them, and all of a sudden, you've got all of these people in front of you that you know are going to work with you and create something really quite wonderful. Go on, give it a go.
Take tomorrow.
In an audition, you can cast them from their skills, from their acting ability, their dance ability, their vocal ability, but you've got a very short space of time to look at the person and go, what type of person are you? Are you going to work well with other actors? And already in the read today, we were seeing that happening.
I think each of these in-studio sessions are really vital because it gives us a look into what the creative team wants from us. I've been learning these songs for the past month and a half, just so I can come in as my best, most prepared self.
First day today was amazing. We did a read-through, which was so magical. I feel like the vibe's just amazing. Everyone's just super excited, and to be doing an original show, a takeout cast, it's just a real honour to be here, and we're just so excited.
Well, I mean, that's going beyond the call of duty, because I wasn't expecting you to sing that. I was just going to play the music, so well done, Lyle. That was really good. Well done.
It's been a long journey to get to day one of rehearsals. Now it's a long journey to get to opening night, and it will be intense.
The next few weeks are incredibly important. We're getting at the scenes and the script, the choreography, the music side of it, and all the vocals. Once we get to the ship, we add all these other key elements, from the costuming, to the lighting, to the set movements, to all the staging, to all the things that we don't have here. And so we'll throw a lot of material over the next few weeks of this cast. They're incredibly talented, and we know after today's table read that they're ready to take it on, and today we just hit the ground running.